So I wanted to come on here and talk to you about two different taxes at death. Upon someone's passing, there can be a variety of taxes. Income tax on the estate. You may have to file a last tax return. There may be estate tax or inheritance tax. And this seems to be one of the questions that I've been getting a lot. What's the difference between estate and inheritance tax? Estate tax is generally based on if your estate is over a certain value, right? Then the government, the state, or the federal government will tax your estate based on any amount over the state or the federal exemption. An inheritance tax is what the person that's inheriting gets taxed for the benefit of inheriting post-mortem gift, for example. And in most states, the inheritance tax is no longer. We do have an inheritance tax in our very own state of Maryland. It's based on if you're passing assets to folks that are not direct lineal descendants or not close family members. So this can happen a variety of ways, and sometimes people get surprised in what occurrence. For example, let's say a married couple, they don't have a domestic partnership and they own a house together. So either it could be we're friends and we both own this house together. We are a couple and we own this house together, but we're not in a domestic partnership, nor are we married. One of them passes away, and then you would get the state inheritance tax that would pass on to the survivor, even if the property passes to the survivor by operation of law, even if the title says joint with the right of survivorship or something like that. So just being careful that you understand that just because you own something with someone else does not mean that you're going to avoid the taxation implication of it if it's not properly titled or if the strategy is not properly elected. But just wanted to share the difference between estate and inheritance tax, since I know that seems to come up a lot. I hope you're having a great day. I hope that helped with the explanation.